Tutorial 3.10. To add a nested if statement to the add game info function on page 189 of the book. The if-else statement we added to the game info function before doesn't work correctly because it can't differentiate between game location values of home and the empty string. That's why we're seeing versus off on some of the games. To add back the ability to make this distinction, you'll make the second clause in a nested if statement that tests for the second condition. Step 1. Return to the tt.js document in your text editor. Step 2. I'll add some lines of empty space here. Within the add game info function, add a new line below the code else, and then enter the code if game location sub I triple equals home. Step 3. Add a new line below the statement paragraph sub1.innerHTML equals versus, and then type a closing curly brace. Your completed if-else statement, containing a nested if statement, should match the code shown here. The nested if statement we just created specifies that the text versus should be inserted only if the current element in the game location array has a value of home. This means that any game location elements with values of the empty string will not meet the condition, and the text versus will not be added to those cells. Step 4. Let's replace the lines of code we had moved down earlier and save our changes to tt.js. Then reload calendar.htm in the browser. As we can see here, the text versus is still inserted into the cells for the home games, but it is no longer added to cells that contain the text off.